These are the 50 by 30 and by 3 centimeters. As you can see the comparison between the cup and then the standard size knife. It's a good size for a home cutting board. And it's a natural product, so please be mind for the error. It's about 2 to 5 millimeter, not too much, so you won't really notice that. And here's also, it has a list, 1 centimeter list, nice and clean finish. Let me zoom it. Okay, and as for the joints of the wood, let me show you. Pretty clean and nice. All right. As for the handle, on the side, it's about 10 centimeters by 1.5, so easy to grip, to lift it. And here's from the back side. Here's the clean finish. Very tidy. Okay, let me show you again for the joints. Okay, there's no apa ya namanya. Yeah, just nice and clean surface.